Tommy, I got to tell you, I love the house.
Well, thank you, Alan.
So tell me a little bit about it.
Well, the house was built in 1904.
Right.
We've completely restored it to try and keep its charm and character of the original. Thank you. And the ceilings are almost 11 foot tall and hard to reach.
Well, yeah, I would guess so. I've got something for you. This is a product called the High Reach Cleaning Kit. I'll be back. You let me know what you think of this.
I'll do it.
The kit includes 3 different attachments that thread onto an extension pole. A dust mop for cleaning corners and molding, a flexible statically charged dusting wand for ceiling fans, and a squeegee sponge combo for windows. What did you think of it?
Well, I had different thoughts. I love the extension of the pole.
Right.
It helps short people like me get the tall areas. It cleaned the crown molding very well, so I love the mop head. The duster for the fans and such that I use. I love the way it bent. It made it very easy to clean, but a lot of the dust fell rather than clean to the thing.
According to Tommy, the High Reach Cleaning Kit lives up to most of its claims, and even though it had a few drawbacks,
Well, it's not holding the dust very well.
the price point makes it a good value. So we're giving it a 3.5 out of 5 rating.